I, Dr. D. Satchinarayana, Professor in MBA Department from Bonu Venkat Chalmaya Institute of Technology and Science. My topic is customer focuses and its importance. Customer, a person who buys goods or services from a shop or business is called customer. Introduction parts. In sales, commerce, and academics, a customer is the recipient of good, service, product, or an idea obtained from a seller or supplier, a financial transaction or exchange of money is called customer focus. A customer focus can be defined as the degree to which a firm continuously satisfies customer needs and expectations and views and ideas. It includes significance on customer defined quality, importance on customer service, integration of customer information and new product development, pertaining with customer for product development, research and development, technology and forecasting. Importance. The customers are valuable asset for any organization. Without customer, where there is no business, where there is no organization. Mahatma Gandhi says that customer is our God, customer is our main element. Without customer, we can't do. So, customer is our king of universe, according to Gandhi says. The success of any organization depends upon the customer satisfaction. The satisfaction of customer tends to purchase frequently and more. Identifying the customer expectations is the key to satisfy the customer. Customer perception of quality. According to Deaning defined, quality may be defined as an excellent product or service that fulfills or exceeds our expectations. An American Society for Quality survey on end user perceptions of most important factor that influenced purchases showed the following ranking: performance, features, service, warranty, price and reputation. Again, customer satisfaction. Treat your customer right, genuinely interact. Don't come on too strong, respect our customer. Always listen, hear what your customer are saying. Continues to satisfy, offer ongoing support and specials. Build trust. Alert customer to a large scale changes, good or bad. Be transparent. Honesty is crucial when it comes to mistake. This is the customer satisfaction. Next one is understanding customer behavior. First, we have to understand how customer behave, how customer views, how customer ideas. We can study it, we can observe the customer pulse. After that, we can behave. Again, consumer behavior is the study of individual and organizations and how they select and use product and services. It is mainly concerned with psychology, motivation and behavior. I want to talk about psychology and motivation. Psychology, which refers to Oxford Dictionary, says human mind power. Human mind power capacity use psychology. Motivated, it is the one of the understanding customer behavior. Second, next one is the study of consumer behavior includes how consumers think and feel about different alternatives. The behavior of consumer while researching and shopping. The consumer, how consumer behave influence their environment, how change their attitude and behavior, thinking due to seasonally. Suppose in summer season, most of the young people, old people or any human being can afford to buy cool drinks, coconut water, the juice, etc. This is the behave consumer psychology. How marketing campaigning can be adopted and improved to more effectively influencing. Again, factors influencing customer behavior: social factor, economic factor, culture factor, personal factor, and psychological factor. I want to talk about the social factor. Social factor, before going to social factor, we want to understand man is a social being, man is a social animal. We can touch our parents. We love our parents, our God, our society as a whole. According to Aristotle says, man is a social being. If not, man is not a social being. Man is a brute, uncultured, stupid, rogue, dirty fellow, mad. And so that we are the social being. We can accept our family, our parents, role, status, and groups. Economic factor: size of family, disposable income, again consumer credit. Culture factors: values and beliefs and arts. Culture, I want to talk about culture is nothing but it is a purely meant for religion. Suppose an Hindu connected the Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, a Christian connected purely meant for Bible. What Bible says, we can obey the norms and regulations, can accepted by the grace of our beloved God. That is called culture factors, values and beliefs. We can accept it. India is such a beautiful multi-dimension characters India has. So that is called culture factors. Personal factors: age, occupation, lifestyle. Psychology factor based on the needs. So the following the diagram. What are the culture factors? Culture, subculture, social class, social, family, role and status, personal, age, life cycle, stage, occupation and personality, psychology, motivation, motivating, perception, learning and buyer. We all are buyers. We can afford to buy your needs. We can satisfy our thoughts, ideas by the grace of our parent providing birth, again IQ and views. This is the, and also effectively handling consumers complaints is one of the most important aspect for a company to consider in order to provide a better overall experience is called customer focus. Once again, customer focus, customer, we are all our consumers, our customers, we satisfy our needs. So thank you.